Today we will be learning about GCF and LCM. GCF. To find out what GCF really means, look at the table here. Greatest, which is G. It also means largest and biggest. Common is same or like. Factor is part of a whole. LCM. To find out what it really means, look at the table below. Least is smallest. Common is same or like earlier. Multiple, number multiplied from a smaller number. Oh. 24. First, this is our first example. To find out the GCF and LCM of 24 and 32 using the ladder method. So, 24 and 32. It's like a division sign, but it is upside down. So, it's like this. If you divide it by 2, which is one of the simplest numbers, this becomes 12 and 16. Still, 24 divided by 2 is 12, 32 divided by 2 is 16. Still even numbers, right? So we will divide it further by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. They still have a common factor, which is 2. They're both even numbers. So we'll divide them even further. 2. The 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now we don't have any more numbers which are common in those. So we'll enclose this space. The column here is for counting the GCF, while the whole L, which is this one, is for computing the LCM. So first we will do 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8, which is equivalent to the GCF. I'll circle it. So to find the LCM, we will do 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 4. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24 times 4 is 96, which is the LCM. So let's circle it, and to prove that it's really the LCM, we will do a test. So 24 and 32. So 24, 48, 72, 96, and 32, 64, 96, So it's clearly shown that 96 is the least common multiple of 24 and 32. Next is 35 and 50. So again, we will use the ladder method. So 35 and 50. One thing is very common among them, 5 and 0. So that means they are divisible by 5, which is a prime number. So it becomes 7 and 10. We chose 7 and 10 because 35 divided by 5 is 7, while 50 divided by 5 is 10. There's nothing common between them anymore. So we'll enclose this L. And you can clearly see that 5 is the GCF, since this vertical line of the L is the GCF if multiplied. There's no other number, so it's 5. So 5, to find out the LCM, we need 5 times 7 times 10. 5 times 7 is 35 times 10 is 350, which is the LCM. So to prove that, we need 35 and 50, because 35 plus 35 becomes 70. 70 plus 35 is 105, plus 35 is 140, plus 35 is 175, dot dot dot, till it reaches 350. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So 50 plus 50, 100 plus 150, 150 plus 50, 200 plus 50, 250, and then plus 50 is 300, plus 50 is 350. So as you can see, 350 is the definite LCM. So that proves that our LCM is right. I have an exercise for you. 27 and 81 equals. Find the answer by pausing it and doing the ladder method like what I did, and proving the LCM with a number line. So pause for a while. Okay, did you pause? Well, I'll tell you the answer. The answer is 27 and 81. Its GCF is 27 and its LCM is 81. That's all for today. Thank you.